Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Wrangler headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a T15 Torx driver, and your new headlight bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the hood open. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and efficient replacement process, helping you avoid any unexpected delays or issues. Having everything ready saves you time and effort. Now, let's access the headlight. Begin by using a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry up and remove the 6 plastic retainer clips located across the top of your Jeep's grille. Once these are out, gently pull the grille forward to release the lower metal clips. You may need to disconnect the turn signal wiring if you plan to completely remove the grille. Next, use your T15 Torx driver to remove the 4 screws holding the headlight bezel in place. With the bezel screws removed, carefully pull the entire headlight housing out. Now, locate the wiring harness connected to the bulb. Slide back the small red locking tab, then press the release tab to disconnect the harness. To remove the old bulb, grasp it firmly and twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Insert your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the wiring harness to your new bulb, making sure the red locking tab slides back into its locked position. Carefully place the headlight housing back into its opening and secure it with the 4 Torx screws. Align the grille with the metal clips and push it firmly back into place. Reinsert the 6 plastic retainer clips along the top. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.